darkness.
Don't put your light towards it.
You're getting cool on your phone too.
Are you doing time lapse?
No, I'm just videoing it and speed it up.
You know time lapse.
Yep, that's dope. Sorry, buddy. I'm just burping the crap out of my footsie. Let's see.
Too long. Still too long. Hey, headlamp boy.
Put your head on right here. Just look at this. You should do that. Look at this moonrise.
Just keep your headlamp down.
That is so cool. Oh, look over there.
Bad boy.
Give me a kiss, I'm cool. Stare at the moon while you do it, okay?
That's what I'm talking about. That's legendary. Total dribble on the water.
iPhone, bro.
Really? Showing off on the Moonrise is over there and the sunrise is over there.
It's like a shot out of a movie. It's so sick.
Oh, let's go.
Aiden, do not step to your right, please.
Or to the left.
Right, so over the fire.
We're witnessing the coolest moonrise of my entire life right now.
Yeah.
This is legitness.
Brother, what? No, I'm like, I could die right now.
I could die right now. I could go.
No way it's about to do that.
Ain't no shot.
Bro. Dude, the clouds have to come.
Dude, even if they don't.
Oh, no.
Aiden! He was. He said something.
I bet it didn't take much. It's okay. The seagull started going crazy.
We knew that it went wrong. I swear, I looked away for like 2 seconds and it's just like making more. Jeez. Keep going.
More.
This is how we were meant to live. We were meant to watch the sun set and the moon rise and then go to sleep. We got it! We got it! Oh, it's so perfect! Yes. This is the most... Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Unreal.
I'm blown away.
God, it's so good. Oh my god. I feel like that happened exactly when it fully peaked. Yeah. Was that just me?
No, that happened right when it fully peaked.
Like the second it was
I just came.
Oh my god. God's putting on a show, brother. And we were about to go to bed. Can't believe this. Dude. See, aren't you glad I stayed up with me? We're gonna lose it again in the clouds.
That's okay. Dude, you can literally see, I'm watching the moon move to the right. Because of where we are on the planet.
Dude, it was way.
It's not like glass breaking.
Yeah, it was up like it was on the left. It was in the crevice.
No, I've never seen a moon move so quickly. I am watching it. I can see it moving.
Yeah.
Like it's walking.